Hello everyone, my name is Rajakumar Pandit, along with my team members Raghav Rathi, Rajesh, and Raghav Goyal. So basically, here we are summarizing our IBM Summer Internship project, which was the home automation system with Arduino Uno and Bluetooth integration, which aims to create a user-friendly and cost-effective solution for automating various household appliances and devices, leveraging the capabilities of Arduino Uno microcontroller and Bluetooth communication. And this system allows to control us the lights, fans, and other appliances wirelessly using a smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. The core components of the system include an Arduino Uno, a Bluetooth HC05 module, relay modules, and various sensors for environmental monitoring. Arduino serves as the central processing unit, orchestrating the communication and control of connected devices. So now let's look at uh, the components that we have used. So here we have used 1N4007. It's a rectifier diode that belongs to the 1N4000X series of diodes. It's an standard power diode designed to convert alternating current to direct current in rectification circuits. Next, here we have 2N double two double two. It's a widely used general purpose NPN bipolar junction transistor, which we also abbreviate as BJT. It's a small signal transistor that is commonly used for low to medium power amplification and switching application in electronic circuits. And now here we have our alternator. So basically, it's an electric generator that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, and it is commonly used in vehicles, power plants, and other applications to generate electrical powers. They are key components in modern automotive changing systems, providing electricity to charge the battery and power electrical systems while the engine is running. And finally, here we have our Arduino Uno R3. It's a popular and widely used microcontroller based on the 80 mega 3284 328P microcontroller, and it's the part of the Arduino family of boards and is designed for beginners to start working on electronics and programming projects. Some key features of it includes that it has the USB interface, it's programmable, and most of all, it's open source. Now let's come into our next component that is Bluetooth 3.05. It's a widely used Bluetooth module for wireless communication in electronic projects. It is designed to facilitate serial communication between microcontrollers or other embedded systems and various devices like smartphone, tablets, or computers that support Bluetooth connection. Then we have components that we are using in this project. We have a lamp here, and then we have LED, and here we are having a motor which will be acting as a fan. And then coming to the relay. So is an electronic component used to control high power circuits or devices by using a low power signal, and it acts as an electrically operated switch that can be turned on or off by applying a small voltage to its control unit. So its main components are a coil, armature, and switch contacts. Right? So now let's move on to final component, that is RES. Basically, it's used to refer to the resistors. Resistors are passive two-terminal components that resist the flow of electric current and are widely used in electronic circuits for various purposes. And now let's see. Here we have our Arduino IDE. For this simulation, we are using Proteus software 8. It's a popular and widely used electronic design automation software suite developed by Lab Center Electronics. And it provides tools for designing, simulating, and testing electronic circuits, microcontroller based systems. So here we are using it for our application. Now let's move on to the Arduino IDE. So it is a software application used for programming and developing code for Arduino boards and compatible microcontrollers. And it provides a UI interface that simplifies the process of writing, compiling, and uploading code to Arduino boards, which makes it really accessible both beginners and experienced developers. So here we have our Arduino code, and we have compiled it, and here we have created a hex file, as we can see. Let me come here. Here we have created our hex file. Here it's the location of our hex file. So we have taken that location and we have put it over here so that our Arduino can take the instructions. And moving on, let me. Uh, Here we have our Bluetooth component H05, and here we are using communication port, physical port 3 for communication. And let me just go to Bluetooth devices, show Bluetooth devices, and in our communication ports we have COM3. Here we can see that we have added it, and we have on we have transmit. We have two ports for transmitting and receiving the data, which is used in serial communication protocols, especially in the universal asynchronous receiver transmission communication. So, and we have also, okay, so let me run it. Here it is simulating. Okay, so it's now fully functioning. Um, and um, let me also connect my phone to this application. Please wait. Okay, so here I have connected my phone to have mirrored my phone. Now let's open our Android application. So here we have opened it, and let me connect it to my laptop. And here we can see it's connected, right? So now let's head on to our. Okay, so let me just adjust it a bit. Okay. Okay, so here we have also used a Google Assistant. Um, just a minute. Okay, I think now we are ready to go. Okay, so here we have also, so let me just say, suppose I want to turn on the fan. So I will say fan on, and here we can see that our fan is up and running. And we can also type, suppose I want to turn on my LED lights, right? So I would say light on, and here we can see that our light is on. And if I want to also open this, so I have named it a night lamp. So night lamp on. Here we can see that our night lamp is also up and running. So here we can see that it's fully functioning and it's completely working. We have integrated here with Google Voice Assistant. So, and if I want to just switch off my lamp, so we can just say off and send text, and we can see our uh, the night lamp is turned off. And if I want to turn my fan off, I can just type fan off. Fan will fan is now getting stopped, right? So if I want to turn off my light, so I can just say uh, light off, and here we can see that our light gets turned off. So it was our project, and that's it. This is our final report on our project. So now let's just let me explain this code that what we have done here, right? So basically, in this part, we have us- this as a set of function. The code basically initializes serial communication at a baud rate of 9600 and sets pins 6, 5, and 4 as output pins. And these pins will be used to control devices like fans and lights and night lamps, right? That we have just discussed. And in the rest of the function, we have in the loop function, the code listens for incoming characters through the serial port. And when characters are available, it reads them one by one and append them to the voice string. The delay is 3. It is introduced to allow all characters to read before we processing them. And next, the code checks if voice string is not empty, right? So if it's not empty, it prints the receive voice command to the serial monitor. Then the code checks the content of the voice string using a series of if-else statement depending upon the recognized command. It sets corresponding high pins or low to turn the devices on or off, right? Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for being patient.